Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and haven't done any updates on the car recently. So back in the beginning of May, I ordered a set of 2017 taillights, and it is July already. So mid-July, finally came in. Kind of surprised me, and to open the box, I'll show you here in a second what they look like, but they're just plug and play. You don't have to do any coding behind it. So the 2017 tails will have that dynamic turn signal in them. So anyway, I'll show you here in a second what they look like. This is just a bright orange box, and sorry I haven't washed my car in a while, but these are the 2014 and up, or 2014 to 2016. So they just have a regular turn signal built into them, but after today I'll have updated them. So I'm gonna start taking them out of the box, and then I'll take everything out of the car and I'll show you what the process looks like. So this is the before. These are just the regular turn signals, and after the install I'll show you what it looks like. So there's the cap here, and once you remove the cap, you're gonna see two T25 bolts. That's when you start taking them out. And if you guys see how dirty my trunk is, I apologize for that in advance. For this next part, you're gonna take the inside tail light out. All you just need is like a key or just a flathead screwdriver. You should be able to pop that little tab out. And then on the inside, there's 3 bolts in there that holds them in. So you're going to need an 8mm extended. And then I've taken these out before, so you're gonna wanna tap it out. They do have a little lock in them, so make sure you're aware of that. All right, so to compare, that's the old tail lights, that's the passenger side. And then I took this out, so this is the driver's side. And they do come with some harnesses. I just need to figure out how they're going to plug in, but other than that, that's it. So they look pretty darn OEM to me. All right, so on the back of these, mine's a 2016, so it's pre-facelift. So they do come with this large ass, I think, capacitor. I'm not sure what it is, but you won't need that. So that's going away. You just need to put this harness on. And right here, you're gonna notice that you need to trim this little guy right here, that little tab, but that's it. Same thing with this one. You just pull that harness off, and right here, just pull this off, and that's it. It'll plug right into the OEM one. All right, so it took me a little bit, but I was able to get everything in, and this is the unlock and the lock. So that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching.